Chapter number 1.3, I know my alphabet. Hello, my super friends. What's up? Can you guess what I'm going to do now? I'm going to shout out the alphabets because I remember them all. Do you remember them too? Come on, let's say them together. A for aeroplane. You all already know that we can write letters in two ways, capital and small. Let's trace both. Capital A, small a. Very good. Next, B for butterfly. Capital B, small b. Next, C for candle. Let's trace C. Capital C and a small c. D for deer. Capital D, small d. E for eagle. Capital E and small e. F for frog. Capital F, small f. G for giraffe. Capital G and small g. H for house. Let's trace H. Capital H and small h. You are awesome. Let's move ahead. I for igloo. Capital I, small I. J for jeep. Capital J, small j. K for kettle. Trace away. Capital K, small k. L for lemon. Capital L and small l. M for marigold. Capital M, small m. N for nest. Let's trace N. Capital N and small n. O for octopus. Capital O, small o. P for pigeon. Capital P, small p. Great going, friends. Keep tracing. Q for quilt. Trace both. Capital Q and small q. R for rose. Capital R and small r. Beautiful. S for star. Capital S, small s. T for tap. Time to trace T. Capital T and small t. U for umbrella. Capital U, small u. V for vulture. Capital V, small v. W for well. Wow, let's trace. Capital W, small w. X for xylophone. Capital X, small x. Y for yak. Capital Y, and small y. We are almost there. The last one is Z. Z for zip. Trace Z. Both ways. Capital Z. Small z. That is amazing. You all remembered your ABCs like rock stars. Now, to make learning capital and small letters even more fun, let's play a game with two magic boxes. Here is the big box for capital letters and the small box for small letters. You have to look at the letter on each card and decide, is it capital or small? Then drop it into the right box. Let's start. What letter is on this card? It is letter A. Correct. Now tell me, is letter A capital or small? Very good. It is a capital letter. So where should we drop it? That's right, in the big box. Let's pick another card. Oh, look, it is the letter E. But this time, it is in small case. So, we will drop it in the small box. Awesome, let's find more cards. Here comes the letter I, and it is a small one too. Let's drop it into the small box. Next, we have got the letter O, and it is a capital letter. So, should we put it in the small box? No, that's not right. Capital letters go in the big box. So, let's drop it there. Time for the last card. Yay! It is the small letter U. Let's drop it in the small box. Great job, everyone. You are all letter experts now. Now that we all know our alphabet so well, let's use our listening ears for one more fun challenge. Friends, one of my sweet friends, Bela, is lost and cannot find her way back home. Can we all help her? But wait, there is a little challenge. There are some pictures on her way home. We can help her only by choosing the pictures whose names have the E sound in the middle of the word. She lives somewhere near the picture of a pen. Are you all ready to help? Let's go. Look at the first picture. It is a fish. Does the word fish have the E sound in the middle? No. So she cannot go this way. Let's check another picture. It is a bed. Yes, the word bed has the E sound in the middle. Let's follow this road and help Bela. Very good. We crossed the first level. Next, there is a pig in the picture. Does pig have the E sound in the middle? Oh no, it does not. Bela has to turn back. Let's find another way. Look over there. It is a net. Yes, net has the E sound. Great going. We are on the right path. Uh-oh, there is a cat in her way. Cat doesn't have the E sound. Let's try a different road. Look, that is the number 10. Does it have the E sound in the middle? Yes, it does. Let's go, go, go. It looks like her home is nearby. Oh yes, that is the picture of a pen. Bela's home is just behind it. But wait, does the word pen have the E sound? Yes, it does. Look, I see Bela's house. We made it. Hooray! Bela is home and she is super happy. And it is all thanks to you, my awesome friends. You all are my little superstars. I'm so proud of you. Bye-bye, my little ABC stars. Let's meet again soon for another awesome adventure.